In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto-renewal in Hostinger for 2024. Disabling auto-renewal can be crucial for managing your subscriptions effectively, ensuring that you have control over your paid services without surprises. So, let's dive into the steps. First, open up your web browser and head over to Hostinger's official website. If you're not already familiar with Hostinger, they're a popular web hosting service that offers a range of options to help you bring your ideas online with ease. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you need to enter your account credentials. If you haven't logged into your account for a while and need a reminder, make sure your email and password are correct to smoothly access the next step. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger dashboard, or as they call it, the H panel. Now make sure you are in the correct account if you happen to manage multiple sites or services. The dashboard looks clean and is designed for straightforward navigation. Next, look for the billing option in the menu, which typically lies on the left-hand side. Click on this section to unfold more details about your billing information and services related to your account. Under the billing section, you will see a tab labeled Subscriptions. Click on it and this will provide you with a list of all the active services you subscribe to with Hostinger. It's always good practice to regularly review this list to have a clear understanding of your ongoing services. From your subscriptions, identify the one you wish to modify and locate the arrow icon next to it. Clicking the arrow will present additional options for managing your subscription details. In the drop-down options that appear after you click the arrow, look for the option labeled Disable Auto-renewal. This step is crucial as it directly allows you to turn off the auto-renewal feature, thereby preventing automatic billing for the next cycle. Click on Disable Auto-renewal. You might be prompted to confirm your decision to disable auto-renewal. Go ahead and confirm it if you are certain about this action. Note that by disabling auto-renewal, your service will continue to be active until the current billing period ends, after which you won't be charged again automatically. And that's it. You have now successfully disabled the auto-renewal feature for your Hostinger subscription. This action gives you more flexibility, allowing you to manually renew the service if and when you decide. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep track of your subscriptions and stay informed about any changes to the terms of service. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other subscriptions you want to manage under your Hostinger account. Thank you for watching and take full control of your web projects with certainty.